Hello and welcome to this quick video about this thing here. This is the updated version of the RunCam Thumb PRO 4K. This is the one with a slightly wider field of view, diagonal 155 degrees. Now I made a video on this only a handful of days ago now, and there was a great question from a gentleman called Dave H asking how it works vertically. And there is the option within the settings for this camera to rotate it around so you can use it in different orientations. Now this is actually very handy for me because I want to use the camera upside down, i.e. rotated 180 degrees in the nose of my Dart XL. I've actually designed a adapter for it. If you're interested, check out my Thingiverse page. I'll put a link down below. But Dave's question was really about, what about if you use it vertically? How does that work? So I'll shot some footage and here's the answer. First, the bad news. When you rotate it so you can use it in a vertical orientation, it unfortunately gives you a vertical image. So rather than being landscape, it's more like portrait 16:9. Appears to still be the same settings, just rotated 90 degrees. The good news is that the gyro data seems to be managed so that even when you rotate it, gyro flow still works fine. You don't have to mess around with the gyro direction. So Dave, thanks for the excellent question. Sadly, it goes from a landscape 16:9 to a portrait 16:9 format when vertical. I guess to do this for real, they would need to use a much larger high resolution square sensor, something like the Cadix Peanut, which is still my #1 camera and does a lot of stabilization internally. That thing you can pretty much put in any orientation and it'll figure it out. So thank you again, Dave, for the question. Hopefully that answers it for you and probably lots of other people too. Thank you for spending your time today watching that video. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you're trying to learn about a subject, then check out the playlist. All of my videos are organized into easy to follow playlists that if you're trying to learn a topic will take you from the basics right the way through to some pretty advanced stuff.